At Carlson, we are as committed to the environment as we are to the high quality of our products. In 2021, we joined Impact Collective, a group of forward-thinking brands committed to making an immediate and positive environmental impact. Together with Impact Collective, we kicked off our journey toward becoming plastic neutral and offset the plastic in a large amount of our product line, including all of our omega-3 and children's products. This was done through investments in certified plastic removal projects taking place in our global waterways, the very source of some of our most popular products. One of our main missions is plastic removal and cleanup in the Mediterranean. Each year, 570,000 tons of plastic end up in the Mediterranean waters, which breaks down to 33,800 bottles per minute. In collaboration with Impact Collective, we've partnered with local fishermen to efficiently and effectively clean the greased seabed. More than 229 medium-sized fishing boats have cleaned thousands of kilos of plastic from the sea every week. The plastic then enters the circular economy, either through recycling or upcycling. Plastic bottles are sent to a fashion company in Madrid that converts them into clothes, and fishing nets are sent to the environmental organization Healthy Seas, which converts them into useful products such as swimwear and socks. With the mission of making our world cleaner and greener, through Impact Collective, we've also partnered with the Arbor Day Foundation to plant 100 million trees where they're needed most. The trees will absorb 8 million tons of carbon, remove 578,000 tons of chemical air pollution from the atmosphere, and intercept and filter 7.1 billion cubic meters of water runoff. At Carlson, we're thankful for our partnerships with these organizations that are making a difference, prioritizing our planet's health, and empowering people to make a positive change. So look for the Reduced Plastic Impact seal on bottles of Carlson Omega-3 and Carlson for Kid products. And please also remember to recycle your Carlson bottle. Thank you.